It's CeeLo Green. Forget you. Somerset 106. Good morning. I'm Josh Good. 9:15 is the time. 41 degrees outside. Partly cloudy skies here at Somerset 106. Your LAX 18 storm tracker forecast is right around the corner. So thanks to viral video, most internet savvy folks know that for some reason, goats are able to scream exactly like humans. The knowledge could have helped a Tennessee resident who called the emergency number last week, convinced a blood-curdling scream meant a man was in danger. The screams were even heard in the background as dispatchers sent cops to the source of the shouting, notes the Herald-Citizen. However, when a pair of deputies rushed to the scene, they found an irritated goat tied to a fence. And after a conversation with its owners, the deputy decided no charges were required.
The morning mix with Josh Good.
He's better than coffee.
Somerset 106.